So my iPhone 14 Pro is here, and the first two things you're probably going to be doing when you get your new iPhone is A, get a case, and B, a screen protector. Now I've gone back and forth what kind of screen protector I want. Previously I did use tempered glass screen protectors, but then I saw that Mous had a hybrid glass screen protector, which made me quite curious as how that would work. Fortunately, I've been using that hybrid glass screen protector on my iPhone 13 Pro for over 2 months now, and apart from a couple of light scratches, it's done very well, and my phone has been dropped multiple times. Whether it was the case or the screen protector that protected it, I don't know, but I think it's best to have that combination. So as you can see, the hybrid glass screen protector is super thin and it's very flexible as well. So this one is shatterproof. And I do like one thing, that the Mous screen protectors, they actually go all the way around the screen, because some companies have been known to give screen protectors that have cutouts for the pill, which fair enough if it's one big cutout, but they're actually putting two separate cutouts for the cameras and sensors, which just looks silly. And Mous go all the way around. That's for their hybrid glass and their tempered glass screen protector. So in this video, let's go through the process of installing this screen protector, and let's see how it looks once it's on the phone. Do remember, before we do the installation, if you do want to get yourself any Mous products, check the link and a discount code in the description box and you'll get yourself 15% off any Mous products you want. So let's get started and install this. So this is what the Mous packaging looks like once it comes in. Very minimalistic, using cardboard, it can be recycled. So once you open it up, you do get a few things in the box. You'll get your cleaning kit to clean the screen when you install the screen protector. That box to the side, and you'll get a little guide talking you through how to install the screen protector with a QR code, which will take you to a video. We're going to do it in this video anyway, so just keep watching and you'll learn how to do it. And you not only get one, you get two screen protectors. So if you do manage to mess one up, for whatever reason, you've got a backup. And if you get it on the first try or don't manage to mess it up, you've got another backup for later on down the line when you want to install a screen protector. They do retail for, I think, around $30, €30. Like I said, using the discount code will get you a better deal. Links and stuff will be in the description box below. So let's use the cleaning kit first to clean the screen of my iPhone 14 Pro. So you get the standard stuff you do when you're installing a screen protector on a phone. You get your dust sticker, cleaning wipes, anti-bubble card, which some companies don't actually give you a card to push out the squeegees, and you get this microfiber cloth. And then we've got this adapter. So what this adapter is one side is for Android phones and one side is for iOS connectors for the actual alignment of the guide. So first thing I'm going to do is, as you can see, my screen isn't super dirty, but it always needs to be cleaned before we're applying the screen protector. So we'll get the wet wipe and give it a good rub. I used to use the tempered glass screen protectors, but I don't know, I just thought I'd give it a try for the hybrid ones, and I do like the way that they feel like you don't actually have a screen protector on your phone and they don't interfere with any cases or anything like that. Not only that, but the installation process seems to be very, very easy and smooth, unlike previous times where the tempered glass ones have had dust and etc. trapped underneath. So there we go, we have cleaned the screen. Now the biggest thing I have is making sure the screen is super clean, because the last thing you want is a bit of dust trapped underneath, and then when you apply your screen protector over, you've got that little bit of dust staring at you for the rest of the time. So there we go, super clean on there. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the application tool, pick it for iOS installation. Once that's in, we're going to pop off this section, and then that's where the alignment guide slides in. You'll kind of see for your phone how it looks. I think different guide is for different size phones. So there we go. Clip that into place to hold it there. It's not going anywhere. So now our screen's completely aligned, and all we really have to do, I'm going to double check that there's no marks, no dust on the screen, which to me looks perfectly fine. And then we're going to peel off this one where it says 3. I'm going to peel that off, and this just goes down and press through the middle. And what I like to do, when you look online at the installation guides, you'll see that they take number 4 off and then they start squeegeeing out. I like to squeegee it out while the top layer is on. Reason being is you get that extra level of protection when it comes to scratch resistance, even though the screen protectors are technically scratch resistant, which up to a certain level, just like anything. But this gives it that bit more protection, allows me to push a bit harder when I'm getting these bubbles out. And you'll notice if you do get it that you don't get that many bubbles, which I really appreciate, because taking bubbles out of a screen protector is one of the most annoying things that you'll have to do. So now that we've squeegeed out the bubbles, quite quick process, you can take this off and we just finish it off lightly with taking out some of the remainder bubbles on the edges. Now for those people out there that are wondering, does it have a coating on the screen protector? I actually did a short video where I was playing Snake on the screen with drops of water because it was just flying around the screen, and I'll put that video up here so you can see. See, this is tiniest thing can cause an issue. If you see that section there hasn't completely adhered, let's say, and the reason is because there's a speck of dust underneath it. But it's good that that happened, because now I can show you what to do in case that happens to you. So you're going to take your dust sticker, peel it off, and then we're going to peel it back on, which can have that much, we can see. All you want to do is lightly, and I mean lightly, with your finger, peel up the screen protector a little bit, put the sticker underneath, just enough to get that little speck of dust, and then let go once we take it off. And now that's taken off that bit of dust, and it's allowed the protector to adhere, if I can show you, to adhere properly. As you can see, no more air gap in there. So that will sometimes happen if you get a bit of dust trapped underneath, otherwise of course it won't create a proper seal on the screen. But I'm glad that actually happened, because it gave me the chance to show you how to fix that. So as you can see, we've just installed it on. It's very hard to notice that there's a screen protector on the screen. As you can see, just a little bit up there. But other than that, it goes all the way edge to edge. Provides great protection for the phone, and you won't even notice it's on there. And then following them steps, you can install it in one go, and then you've got one as a backup or to give to a friend or family. So if you appreciated that, remember the links in the description if you want to get yourself a discount for the screen protector or any mouse products at all. And I'd appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel if you liked the video, and like the video with a thumbs up if you actually liked it. Leave a comment down below what kind of screen protector you use. Do you go for the hybrid ones, or do you go for the tempered glass ones? And there'll be plenty more iPhone content coming soon, especially with mouse cases arriving, I think tomorrow or the day after. So keep an eye out on that. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, and I will catch you on the next one.